In today's video, I will show you how to edit audio on CapCut. Launch CapCut on your PC and open project containing the audio you want to edit. Click on audio track in the timeline to select it. Ensure it's highlighted for editing options to appear. On the right side, you will find volume slider. Move it to the right to increase volume and to the left to decrease it. To create fade in, hover over the beginning of audio waveform until you see bracket icon. Click and drag it to right to create fade-in effect. For fade-out, do same at the end of audio waveform. Dragging to the left to create fade-out effect. Click on Noise Reduction option to reduce unwanted background noise. Adjust intensity as needed. You can explore various voice effects available. Click on Desired Voice Effect and it will be applied to your audio. Play your audio to preview changes. If adjustments are needed, go back and fine-tune volume fades, noise reduction or voice effect. Once you are satisfied with audio edits, save your project to preserve changes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.